Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video on how to repair your air room cooler fan not working. Its moving is working, you can see that, and power is okay, light is on, but its fan is not working. I will on the fan now. The fan is not working, viewers. So in today's video I will show you how to fix this problem. Watch the video till end and subscribe my channel. Open the back case, viewers, and firstly you have to check the all the wires connected to its buttons. If there is any wire that is loose or broken, if it's okay, then move to the next part. We have to open the three screws on the fan's motor. Now open the back case of the motor and check its capacitor, viewers. It's a 5 microfarad capacitor connected to the motor. You can see that its rating is 5 microfarad and it is blown, viewers, from the sides. It is visible, viewers. You can see that the capacitor of our fan motor is blown. We have to change this with the same rating. It's a 5 microfarad 480 volt AC. So we will change this. I have got a new capacitor of the same rating, as you can see that. Now I will replace the old one. I have installed the new one. You can see that. Now I will install the back cover and check it. Now I will power on the button. Here we go. You can see that our fan is working now. So this is the procedure how to fix the problem of air cooler fans not working. So if you have any questions regarding the video, you can ask in comment section. I will reply them, and do subscribe our channel. Goodbye, viewers.